Reggae Boyz head coach Theodore Tapper Whitmore is calling for the off-the-field issues with the squad to be sorted out if he is to have full access to the players at his disposal. Whitmore was speaking on his return from the Reggae Boyz tour of Japan, where they played 2 international matches. The signs were looking clear when Coach Whitmore was presented with a number of UK-based players. Some caught the eye and were even penciled in to play in the upcoming CONCACAF Gold Cup, until it was discovered that they wouldn't acquire a Jamaican passport in time for the July date. On his return from Japan, Coach Whitmore explained that what happened off the field was just as important as what happened on it.
My take on is that only have the players' name. We want to get their documentation. That is the first thing. A number of factors you have to take into consideration that the game not only play on the field. So the 60 players that you talking about or who talking about, there's a lot of things need to be put in place.
And with several members of the recent squads set to miss the Gold Cup, Whitmore is aware of the effect going into the tournament.
Going into the Gold Cup now, there's a number of factors going into the Gold Cup in terms of match readiness, the camaraderie of the team, the chemistry of the team. So we have to take all of these into consideration.
One of the players who will be available to Whitmore is stand-in skipper Damian Lowe, who gave a creditable performance in a central midfield role against Serbia.
I don't know the big Elaba Lowe about it, because we have never played or tried Damian Lowe in midfield since Damian Lowe representing the national team. So I don't know why we're going to experiment now to really put Damian Lowe at central midfield. Yes, he played there and he did a job on the particular day for us, but it's not something that me personally considering.
On the goalkeeping side, Coach Warren Barrett says they are well represented in that area and was pleased with what he saw from the 2 custodians used in Japan.
I was very pleased and impressed with Dennis Taylor in the Serbia game. And I spoke to him before the game. I said, listen, we have done the hard work, and the hard work will show. I have no doubt that you are going to do well, because he was doing that all through the preparation period.
Newcomer Dylan Barnes also gets the nod from the 1998 World Cup veteran, despite conceding 4 goals against the Japan under-23s.
Dylan joined us halfway through the tour, and again, high-quality goalkeeper. I really liked what I've seen from him thus far. He integrated well with the rest of the team.
Jamaica's Gold Cup campaign begins on July 12 against Suriname in Group C at the Exploria Stadium in Florida.